Jet black marker pushing hard as you scribble.
As I remember, there's one preaching, they always said that there's four things that you cannot recover or you cannot do it again. Actually, tonight, I have two. The moments that we shared together. Hindi mo na po may babalik yung moments. And thank you for sharing your time for this event, this moment with us, with my daughter.
Hello Mikay, dalaga ka na. Sana huwag kang mag-apurang magkaroon ng boyfriend. Focus ka muna sa studies mo, enjoy mo yung moment mo bilang kabataan.
Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo.
We are here to celebrate your 18 years of existence, and one of the things I'm thankful about is you and your existence. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I hope you keep shining in your own way.
Si Mikay, napaka-soft ng soul niya and napaka-kind niya. To the point na parang nung pinipigilan ko na lang yung iyak ko, unting yakap niya lang, unting lapis niya pa lang, ayun, naiyak na ako. And that describes how great she is.
Di pinapansin, ika'y ba iikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Hello, Ate Mikay!
Happy birthday.
birthday!
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to.
Sana magpaparaan ka ng Diyos at tumangkat ka pa.
May God bless you more and always pray and blessings be upon you always. I love you.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y ba iikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
First of all, I would like to praise and thank God for this event, for this opportunity. And of course, I would like to thank each and everyone who spare your time to celebrate with us.
Get out of this town.
Sana wish ko sa'yo yung magtapos ka sana ng iyong pag-aaral. Magpakabait ka. I love you. Happy.
I know you can face all of those with courage. You're smart. You're strong. You're beautiful and talented. Huwag kang magpapatinag sa kahit na anong disappointment.
May you continue to discover God's purpose in your life, and may you continue to pursue your dreams. Galingan mo palagi future sa ko.
Mikay, happy 18th birthday. May God continue to bless you, lalo na sa new journey mo. God bless you more and we love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Mika, and I'm so thankful that to be one of your friends, and I'm wishing you good health.
I'm thankful na naging friend kita and I'm hoping na magkaroon ka tayo ng marami pang memories.
Actually, this cut not only symbolizes your 18th year, but it also symbolizes the warmth and light that you have been to other people. Keep serving the Lord, keep believing in yourself. You are surrounded with beautiful people.
We love you and we will be forever grateful to God for giving you and adding to us His greatest blessing. Achieve your dreams, anak. I may not carry you in my arms anymore, but I will always carry you in my heart. You will always be my little girl, my Disney princess, and my only kaina. I love you, Anna.
Just pretend, just pretend.